Hey, what's up? And welcome to Fix Your Smile. If you've ever looked in the mirror and wished your teeth were just a little straighter, but you're not into the whole braces thing, don't worry. Today, I'm breaking down 5 ways you can fix crooked teeth without traditional braces. Let's get into it. Number 1, clear aligners. These are super popular right now. Think Invisalign Smile Direct Club. They're basically invisible trays that gently move your teeth over time. You can pop them out to eat or brush, and most people won't even notice you're wearing them. Number 2, dental veneers. Veneers are thin shells made of porcelain resin that get bonded to the front of your teeth. If your teeth are only mildly crooked or have gaps, veneers can give you that perfect straight smile almost instantly. But remember, it's a cosmetic fix, not an orthodontic one. Number 3, dental bonding. This is a quick and affordable option where your dentist uses a tooth-colored resin to reshape your teeth. It works best for minor issues like small gaps or slightly crooked teeth. The best part? It can usually be done in just one visit. Number 4, retainers. Retainers aren't just for after braces. Some types, like spring retainers, can actually move teeth a little bit. They're not for everyone, but if your case is mild, your dentist might recommend them. And number 5, contouring and reshaping. This is where your dentist gently files down certain areas of your teeth to improve alignment or the way they look. It's quick, painless, and best for small adjustments. Now, here's the deal. Not all these options work for everyone. It really depends on how crooked your teeth are and what your goals are. Always talk to a dental professional before making any decisions. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Remember, your smile is unique. Own it. Catch you next time.